What's good, what is good, my sizers? We're back again with another video, and today we are going to be going over the Tropicana Casino located inside of Laughlin, Nevada. So the first thing I want to mention is their pool, because I thought it was really cool. They have open swim from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. and then 21 and over can swim from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. and then 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. They don't like it when you bring your outside food and drinks, but literally everyone at the pool did it, so to each his own, I guess. You will need a room key to access the pool, and they do offer cabanas, 2 different hot tubs, one for all ages and then one for 21 and over. They even play music videos all day, and I think that's absolutely amazing. And they also have a little rinsing station where you can rinse off the chlorine and the sunscreen and everything like that right here before you leave. Now we will be going through the actual Tropicana Casino. However, let me tell you that this is a literal walkthrough, no stops, because when I tried to film other casinos inside of Laughlin, I got stopped a bunch of times and they told me to stop recording, this, that, and the other, so I didn't know how strict or how lenient the Tropicana Casino would be. So here on the right, we can see that they offer motorized scooters, and then this is their check-in lobby. One thing I would like to mention, because this is very important, especially if you are quite the gambler and you like your comps and your rewards and things like that, is that this casino, the Tropicana Casino, is with the Caesars Rewards program. This restaurant is called Brew Brothers. You can see the brewery in the back on the left up there, and they also offer appetizers, burgers, and pizzas. Here is me realizing that the person in front of me is security for the Tropicana, so I am going to dodge them by walking alongside Brew Brothers. But if you keep walking past Brew Brothers all the way in the back, they have bingo. And I don't know about you guys, but I absolutely love bingo. Obviously, because I'm not 21 quite yet, I haven't experienced bingo in a casino. But when I play bingo with like friends or at like a function or an event or something, I absolutely love it. So yeah, they have bingo all the way in the back next to Brew Brothers. So right now we are walking by Carnegie's Cafe, and they offer breakfast, lunch, and dinner, which I think is very important to mention considering Laughlin is a small town and things close early. But another cool thing is that across the hall from Carnegie's Cafe is a bar, and I don't know what the name of it was, but they do offer live entertainment, and they play a lot of good songs from different genres and artists and decades. It's great. Loved it the whole time. Also, if you are not a fan of the food that's offered inside of the Tropicana Hotel, in the same parking lot of the Tropicana Hotel is an In-N-Out. It's literally across the street. You park your car and you can either go to In-N-Out or the Tropicana Hotel. So it's very convenient. And then on the right here, we have a hallway that leads you to the pool and the pool like essential store. So that's really cool because the essential store also is connected to like a mini cafe part where you can get ice cream and like basically cold beverages and treats. This is their mini food court. The only thing that was open at this hour was the White Castle. However, they do have a vending machine where you can get all types of cuisines from it. And then this is their essential store up ahead, and they offer books, electronics, snacks, anything you could possibly think of. It was pretty cool. As we approach the back of the hotel, that leads you to either the Promenade Tower, which is actually the tower that is closest to the pool, by the way, or the parking garage itself. Over here on the right, we will be greeted by their video arcade that is for all ages, and every time I walked by it, it was poppin'. There was always a bunch of people in it, kids, adults, everything. But that is all the time I have for you guys today, so if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys have ever stayed or been to the Tropicana Hotel and Casino and what your guys' thoughts were. And be sure to smash that subscribe button down there while you're at it. Toodles!